Hello everyone, welcome back to the Legal Explorer. This is Advocate Rumana. Today I am going to discuss with you a very interesting case. Before that, I want to ask you one question. Can a man who begs for leaving marry 2, marry 3, marry 4? Can he marry? The Kerala High Court just gave a shocking reply, and trust me, this case is very interesting. Before moving to this case, I want to explain you about what is polygamy. Polygamy is nothing but having more than one wife. What Islam says, what Quran says. See, Quran says very clearly what? See, in Quran, Surah Nisa, verse 3, it clearly says that if you fear cannot do justice, then marry only one. And in this surah Nisa, verse 29 says, you will never be able to do full justice between wives, even if you try. So Islam says monogamy is rule, polygamy is only an exception. But what's happening in today's world? What's happening? Some men treat polygamy like it's a Netflix love story. Chalo, he's marrying a first wife, then second wife, then third wife, and it's like a love story, you know, part 2, part 3. But excuse me, brother, this is not... See, I have seen many cases in my personal life as I am an advocate, but excuse me, the one who are watching, this is not a Bollywood, this is a real life. Islam allowed polygamy only to protect needy women, widows, orphans, women without support, not because bhai dil garden ho gaya, let's marry again. You know, this is completely wrong. You know, Islam said to help a needy woman, but here second marriage is also love marriage, third marriage is also love marriage. Attraction ho raha, chalo let's marry. This is completely wrong. So now let's go into the case. What are the facts of the case? There was a blind man. He was living only by begging. He married one, chalo it's fine. He married second time. Then second time he was threatening his second wife that I'll marry third time. Then the second wife, she filed a case in the court. What did the court say? Court said, stop. Enough is enough. If you can't even feed one wife, how dare you to dream of 2, 3 or 4? What did the court give and verdict? The Kerala High Court said, men who cannot maintain their wives must be counseled and women must be protected. Okay. Now I want to discuss, we have discussed about the Quran's point of view, what Quran is saying, what court said. Now we'll discuss the woman's point of view. The ladies, whoever is watching, let's be clear. Don't accept this nonsense. If your husband says, you know, baby, I'm marrying again for love, tell him no, love doesn't parent. You know, be strong, try to be independent, try to be educated, in Islamic way also. Try to be, see, simply being practicing Islam is not. You need to study what Quran says. Quran nowhere said that, you know, it is compulsory to marry second, third, fourth. You know, be strong. Be strong. Try to gain knowledge. Try to gain the legal knowledge. Try to gain the Quran knowledge. Simply reading Quran or try to understand what is the meaning of Quran. Be strong. Both Islam and the law are with you. Now I want to talk about the men's point of view. Brothers, my dear brothers, listen carefully. Polygamy is not a free pass for romance. It is a serious responsibility. It is a serious responsibility. If you can't handle one love story, don't try to start another sequence. Okay, so it is an request. Don't threat the woman, you know, I'll marry second, I'll marry third. So here is the truth. Islam says justice first, not desire. So nowadays people are just marrying for desire. The court says protect women. We are here to stand for the woman. Now we'll discuss what society says. Stop making polygamy look like a love triangle movie. Gain knowledge about the legal awareness, the woman's right. Fight for your own rights. Simply don't accept because he's threatening, you know, I will leave. So if you have any further doubts, you can comment in my comment section and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.